Let me show you how we can enter and exit the recovery mode on POCO M8 Pro. So the first thing that we can do in order to go to the recovery mode is restart our phone. So I'm going to use the power button and volume up button. We're going to press both of these buttons at once to open this power menu. And then we want to slide it down over here to restart our phone. Once that happens, you want to start pressing and holding volume up. And now just keep holding volume up button until you open the recovery mode. So we will see the POCO logo at first, but you want to keep holding the volume up button. And soon enough, we should be able to go to the recovery mode. There we go. Now in this mode, we navigate by using volume buttons. So use volume up or volume down in order to choose a different option. And if you want to use something from here, if you want to go ahead and choose the selected option, you want to confirm by pressing the power button. Now, if we want to exit the recovery mode, we have to choose reboot and of course confirm with the power button, and then once again confirm by choosing reboot to system. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.